Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Axie Infinity NFT Valuation Methods. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game where players can collect, breed, and battle creatures known as Axies, which are unique digital assets stored on the blockchain as NFTs. Understanding how to value these NFTs is crucial for making informed decisions when buying, selling, or trading them. First, it is essential to understand the factors that affect the value of an Axie NFT. These factors include the Axie's genes, body parts, and stats, as well as its rarity, which is determined by the combination of its genes and body parts. The rarer the Axie, the more valuable it is likely to be. There are several methods for valuing Axie NFTs, including the comparable sales method, the income approach, and the cost approach. The comparable sales method involves analyzing the prices of similar Axies that have been sold recently to estimate the value of the Axie being valued. The income approach involves estimating the future earnings of the Axie, such as its potential for winning battles or breeding, and valuing it based on those earnings. The cost approach involves estimating the cost of creating a new Axie with similar characteristics. To value an Axie NFT using the comparable sales method, start by researching recent sales of similar Axies. Look for Axies with similar genes, body parts, and stats, and note their sale prices. Then, adjust the sale prices based on any differences between the Axies, such as their level or experience. Finally, use the adjusted sale prices to estimate the value of the Axie being valued. When valuing Axie NFTs, it is also essential to consider market trends and the overall demand for Axies. If there is high demand for a particular type of Axie, its value is likely to be higher. Conversely, if there is low demand, its value is likely to be lower. In addition to understanding the factors that affect the value of an Axie NFT and the methods for valuing them, it is also crucial to stay up to date with the latest market trends and developments. This can be done by following Axie Infinity news and updates, as well as participating in online communities and forums where players discuss the game and the value of Axie NFTs. By following these steps and staying informed, you can develop a thorough understanding of Axie Infinity NFT valuation methods and make informed decisions when buying, selling, or trading Axie NFTs. Remember to always do your research, consider multiple valuation methods, and stay up to date with market trends to ensure that you get the best value for your Axie NFTs.